It's like if you see a good movie or you go to a great vacation, you want to tell all your friends about it because you want to experience the same thing. And believe me, I do the same with you. Hi, my name is Don Farnsworth. I'm the owner of Altitude Helicopters in San Diego. I purchased a Bell 206 not only to help the school and tour operation, but to travel among a couple different places where I live. I don't remember exactly how I found out about Aero and Marine, probably a Google search about helping reduce taxes on a purchase. I was debating whether to register it in Arizona or California, where I have residences in both spots. I made the decision to hire Aero and Marine after speaking with them, number two, but number one, reading the reviews, the testimonials, and I actually did speak with a couple of friends who are also aircraft owners, and they just had just total confidence in you that nothing would go wrong. The test period was a lot more work than I thought, but it was worth it. I kept telling myself, this is worth it. Just keep every little detail of everything you do and follow their instructions to the letter. That's really the most important thing. Aero Marine knows what they're doing. And I figured, even though it was a lot of work, I was making about $5,000 an hour to do it. So it was worth it. In terms of unexpected benefits or insights that I learned working with Aero and Marine, it was just a general knowledge of the law so that I could feel comfortable telling friends that, this is how it works. It just sort of took an area that was completely foreign to me and they explained it all really well. So I had no doubt about what I was doing. Even though all of the tasks were difficult, the team here made things as easy as possible for me. They kept track, like if there were 8 things for me to do and I sent them 6, they would send me an email. Okay, we need these 2 from before and then 5 more. And so they never let it get off track. They kept me on track with time, with tasks. One thing that helped in just the regular operation of my helicopter was that I knew that it was a bona fide tax write-off, that I had very specific things that I was doing that I continued to document myself to make sure that should there be an audit that I'm covered, fuel receipts, email conversations. If I'm going to look at a property to purchase somewhere or whatever the reason is, I just keep everything well documented. Helicopters are pretty expensive to operate, so it makes me feel just a little bit better knowing that Uncle Sam's coming along for the ride. I don't think that the exemption really changed anything. I would have paid it or not. You can't go into a helicopter if your finances are sketchy at all. You have to be able to afford whatever happens. And so it was just a nice little cherry on the sundae to have that benefit. The nice end to the process was finally receiving that letter saying, yes, this is all approved, signed, sealed, delivered, certified, because there was along the way and just a tad bit of anxiety, is this going to work out? Will it be accepted? They say it will, and I believe them, but until it happens, there's always just that little, 1 or 2% of doubt. But it felt great having it done. There's no doubt about it. I just think these people here at Aero and Marine Tax Professionals, they are very professional, 100%. Actually, there was a change from the person who was originally helping me to someone else. And it was seamless. That didn't cause any problems or concerns. And these people are on it. They are 100% professional. And I would recommend them. If your circumstances are such that you could benefit from using them and you don't, that's a mistake. Just use them. There's one more thing I have to say that I learned from dealing with you all. It's about persistence, because I've had so many emails and so many phone calls asking to do this. And I've said, no, 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 no. Stop asking me, stop bugging me about this. But you all are so nice. And I just didn't really want to do it. But I'm in sales. I don't like to pester people, but there's a way where you can be persistent and change their mind. So I'm glad you did. I'm glad this is going to help you. And so there, that I learned as well. Be persistent, but be nice about it.